Hey kids, welcome back to the next episode of the Incredible Kids Podcast. My name is Moritz Siri, and I will be your host through this incredible journey. We are going to meet many incredible kids. They are going to share with us their stories. Some of them super cool and different like you've never heard before, and some you may say are just ordinary, but all of them incredible. If you have great ideas, email me today at ikidspodcast@gmail.com. And now it's time for
Incredible Kids!
It was playing the intro. Now we're on. Can you guys tell us if you can hear us? Thumbs up if you can hear us. Amazing. That's because we have the coolest microphones ever. Hi, everyone. I'm Moritz Siri. This is my friend Kaya, and we are getting ready to celebrate this special Tehillim army with all of you. I feel like I'm screaming because the rain is so loud, but I don't need to scream because you probably hear me fine, right? Amazing. Okay, so Kaya and I are kind of funny, right? So we're gonna do fireworks as soon as we can. But right now, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a hurricane behind us. We're in Baltimore. And anyone else here in Baltimore? Raise your hand if you're in Baltimore. Yeah? So it's raining very hard outside. Suddenly, all of a sudden. That's what happens in summer. So we're hoping that it's gonna suddenly stop, and then we'll be able to do our fireworks show, which we're all ready for over here. So in the meantime, we're going to start with Tehillim today. We're going to do Parak Kaf, and we're going to do Parak Kaf Lamed. But I have a couple of announcements to make. First announcement that I'm going to make is that, this whole week was dedicated by an anonymous sponsor. Thank you so much for believing Incredible Kids to be a big plus for your whole family and everybody that you want to dive in for. And also, yesterday, I was driving in the street. You're never going to believe what happened, Kaya. You want to hear? So I was driving in the street and I passed by, what were they selling? Snow cone and popcorn stands. You know those people, like kids that make those stands? So I was like, oh my gosh, so fun. How much does it cost? So they said it's $1.75 for popcorn and $1 for a snow cone, something like that. I'm like, I have no money on me. I never have cash. Was upset. I never have cash on me. So I said to the boys running the stand, I was like, I don't know what to do. I don't have money on me. They're like, fine, we'll make a deal. The deal was, give us a shout out on Tehillim Army. We give you free popcorn. I had to think about it. What would you do? You think it's fair?
I don't know what I would do.
If you were me? I had to think about it because shout outs are like really precious. They're not really precious. I'm so hungry. So that's what I did. I took the deal. And now I will give a shout out to these guys. Shout out to Yitzhi Sova, Shmoo Boyer, Elliot Sova, and Ellie Winner. They're all incredible kids. Now, don't think if you send me popcorn, you necessarily got a shout out. Just kidding. They were in the right place at the right time. And I thought it was actually pretty cool. They had a really cool situation going on there. So we're going to start off today. Tehillim. We have a Tehillim right here with us because I have a whole bunch of kids. We're all just sitting here watching the rain and wondering when it's going to stop. But we'll focus on Tehillim armies. So all of you, oh my gosh, my computer is getting wet again. Do you have something to dry it off with? Thank you. The thing is that we're in the shade, but it's also windy. So the rain is being a little annoying. But what do we say in Tehillim army? Do you know what we say, Kaya? How do I take this out? We say Gam Zoom Latova. I think while I was cleaning off my screen, something random popped up. No idea what that is. Ah, it went away. Okay, amazing. So who's saying Tehillim with us? Who's saying you're saying Kaf Lamed, right? Okay. We're gonna start with Kaf Lamed. Then we're gonna do our program and we're gonna do Kaf after. We're gonna go a little backwards. So we're gonna do Parak Kaf Lamed. Everybody open to Parak Kaf Lamed. So I hear the sound from that. Okay. You want to use my Tehillim or you have your own? Oh, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna give Kaya pass the mic on to him and then he'll give it back to you. Everybody at home, take out your Tehillim. Let's see who's ready. I'm gonna spotlight some kids who are ready with their Tehillim. Okay, let's see. Zoom updated. Oh, there we have the incredible Hamra. No, we're gonna do it after. He's gonna sit in a second, okay? Hi guys. I see a lot of people with red, white, and blue paraphernalia. Oh, like red and blue clicks on your head. Nice. Very nice. Hi, Wieners. You have face paint on. I see you. Let's see. The Gerwitzes with their Tehillim. Hi. Is it raining in New York also? No? We should have done the fireworks there. I think they have rules about these things though. Okay. So we're gonna switch places for a second. Come on, Shlomo, come on down here. Chai, stand to the side for a second. You're gonna get a little wet, Shlomo. Are you okay with that? Yeah? Shlomo, say hi. Thumbs up if you hear Shlomo. Oh, we have a thumbs down. Say hi again. Say, hey, I'm Shlomo.
Hi.
Yeah. See, I'm looking at that boy over there. That's how I know people. When I say thumbs up and thumbs down to people, I really need to know. I actually look. Okay, this is Shlomo, as you can see. He grew up a lot since yesterday. Remember yesterday he was 2 with like a long ponytail? He got really big. Kidding! It's not my kid. What's your name? Shlomo what?
Peter.
How old are you?
7.
7 years old. And you're going to be doing Kuf Lamed today. So whenever you're ready, you're going to see Pasuk Aleph, and everybody at home will repeat after him. Shir Hamalot Mimamakem Karasicha Adonai. Adonai Shem Aviko Li Tiyaba Azracha Kashuvos Lekol Tachanunai. Im Avonos Teshmaria Adonai Miamor. Yemcha Hasita Lemaan Tivareh. Kivisi Adonai Kevsa Nafshi Belet Baro Hochalti. Nafshi Adonai Mishomrim Labokar Shomrim Labokar. Yachal Yisrael El Adonai Ki Im Adonai HaChasad V'Harvei Mokvadus. Vehu Yefda Et Yisrael Mikol Avono Sav.
Yeah.
So nice. Do you have any shout outs to say? That's what boys like to do. Anyone that you love very much that you want to honor, or you want a message for the kids out there. Maybe you want to tell them like, don't try doing fireworks.
Yeah.
Something like that. So much pressure, right? Everybody. Want to say hi and bye? Shlomo, do a great job. Woo! You're incredible, Shlomo. Thanks for joining us with Tehillim. Beautiful. Okay, now we have a special thing to do. Thank God I'm always prepared. Here, Kai, put it back on. So we have a whole setup over here. Today is July 4th. Does anybody know why that's a significant day over here? Anyone here? Anyone here know why July 4th is?
I'm Bella's favorite counselor.
Okay, let's see.
It's my favorite counselor.
Here, hold on a second. Someone. Do you guys hear somebody unmuted? Hi, New Earth kids. Could you tell us what happened on July 4th?
Well, she got unmuted.
She was unmuted. What happened? Oh. Here, could you unmute yourself? Hi.
That's the day we got our America became a state.
You sound like you're onto something. It's the day what?
America
I don't know. I don't know.
It's called American Independence Day. So it's the day that America became a free country. Independence is freedom. Ah, matchy patchy. We have the same flag. We must live in the same country. What state do you live in?
Connecticut.
Go Connecticut. I used to live in Connecticut. You know that? A lot of, like, way before you were born. Like, before I was born, basically. such a long time ago. Anyways, thank you for the explanation. You did a great job. Okay, so anyways, July 4th is a day that celebrates America. It's not a yontif. Don't get nervous. It's just a day that in America, you're going to see a lot of red, white, and blue because people feel that they want to, you know, support their country that we live in. Do you like living in America, Saya?
Yep.
Why?
Free country.
What could you do since it's a free country? You could sing whenever you want. That is true. What else could you do? Right. She actually is making very good points. You could read the books that you want to read. You can go to school. Now, what's different about me and you that maybe is not the same for Gaia? About, you know, our schools and our books and our shuls. I'm saying, do they go to the same ones as us? Definitely not. Oh, I speak a little louder, he said. Or you could hold it a little closer if you want. Up to you. So we have all these freedoms because we're lucky that Baruch Hashem, we live in a country. If you're in America, like I know we have a friend in Brazil here, so you could still listen and learn about Hakaras Hatov, but like, obviously this is not Independence Day for you, but maybe you'll also celebrate with us. And in Canada, I just found out that Independence Day for them was July 1st. So this is just something for United States of America. So if you're not United States of America, kindly please leave the meeting. Just kidding. I would never say that. We're so happy to celebrate with everybody, but we're really here to talk about what we can learn from the fact that we live in a country that's free. So the first thing that we're going to do to show a Hakaras Hatov to our country is I'm going to show you a video that I took 1 month ago. Today's July 4th. So a full month ago was what? June 4th. So on June 4th, and I know it because I just looked at my phone. On June 4th, I went on a class trip with B'nai Yisrael's 4th grade. And the trip was at a place called Fort McHenry. Fort McHenry. Okay. Anyways, it was pretty boring. But there was one highlight that actually really inspired me. And I was so inspired that I decided to take a video. And while I took the video, I was thinking that on July 4th, I'm going to show you the video. And I said to myself, July 4th in 100 years. But guess what? Here we are on July 4th, and I remember the video. So thank you, Hashem, that I remember the video, because I don't usually remember things that I say I'm going to do in a month. So anyways, this video is going to talk about the song called The Star Spangled Banner. Anyone here know the national anthem? Yeah? I see the Brachi family knows the national anthem. So that's their name, because I don't know what else their name is. See, they know what I'm talking about. They're laughing. It says, "Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light." So I never knew what that song was about. I heard it at baseball games. I heard it, you know, sometimes I had teachers that sang it with us. We never knew what it was about. And then I learned what it was about. Basically, I'll tell you in short, and then I'll show you the video. There was a man. His name is Francis Scott Key. And Francis Scott Key was he was right near where there was a big war happening in America. It was like a scary time. And it was actually in Baltimore where I live. So in Baltimore where I live, there was like a lot of fighting going on. And it was pretty messy and scary. And then this man named Francis Scott Key happened to be in a ship in the water. He was in the ship. And from the ship, he saw a lot of smoke. He saw a lot of smoke, because I'm explaining it to them before they see the video. Because it's like, they might not have. Smoke and fog mixed together. There was a lot of smoke and fog. And then, even though it was scary, guess what? America won the battle. Baltimore was not going to be gone forever. And then, what happened next, Deborah? Oh, then he saw, hold on. No. Then it was foggy and smoky. And in the early light of the dawn, listen to those lyrics. By the dawn's early light, all of a sudden, the clouds parted. You know what he saw through the clouds? The flag was still there. The flag had not perished in the battle. It was still standing. And he was so emotional that he wrote a song. It was actually, at the time, it wasn't a song. He just wrote the lyrics. The song was like more of a poem. And it was, "Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming. Oh, say does the star-spangled banner yet..." Wait, hold on, I need this. Yet wave. It was still waving. Even though there was a war, it was still waving. So I want to say, 1 second. No, it was still waving. And it was such an emotional moment because it showed him that there's always hope. Now that might sound crazy to you, but I want to say that right now we're doing this for Israel every single night, right? We dive in, we think about our brothers and sisters in Israel. Okay, Leora can have a flag. I brought a bunch of them. Here, you want a flag? If you have a flag in your house, you can take out the flag, and if not, you can just wave your arms. But after I show you this video, we're gonna play the Star Spangled Banner, and we're gonna wave our flags. But we could also remember that even in dark situations, like right now, I was saying about Israel, in dark situations, when things are really, really difficult, we need to always look for hope. Just like Francis Scott Key looked for hope, and he saw that through the dark clouds, through the rainstorm, through the hurricane behind us, the flag is still waving. So we always have to look for those moments and hope and cling on to them. And then maybe you could write a song about it. You're going to light the fireworks in the rain? That's going to be really cool.
I think we should light the fireworks. See, this is going to rain again.
You want to do the fireworks now?
I'm doing everything.
But do you think it's going to rain harder? Okay, so the weatherman is saying that we should do fireworks now. So hold that thought, and we're going to do the ceremony after the fireworks. So Deborah Price's job today is going to be to film the fireworks from a different angle. So you're going to be able to see the fireworks much more close up. I'm going to make her into a host. It's so wet that it's not working. Like isn't that crazy? Hold on. My computer is like stopping wet. No, it's just not. It's like might need a new computer after tonight. Second. Okay. I see it here. It's just not letting me do it. Okay, perfect. Okay. So Devorah,
Yeah.
is your camera on?
Yeah. It's a
Oh, I see it. Okay. Now go close to where they're setting up over there.
better.
We sat together.
Okay, Deborah Price is our meteorologist on site. She's going to be filming today our fireworks display by Mr. Baumgarten, Baltimore, Maryland.
Deborah, you have to actually fit camera towards it. You're running away. You coming through? You see on the screen?
You could, yeah.
It's so far.
Whoa. You see someone? Yeah.
Hiya.
Okay, so here we have our first fireworks display of the night. Fireworks in the rain. If somebody wants to take over Deborah's job, they come. Okay, that was a really cute small
That was
one.
big.
That was really cute. Do you know the names of the fireworks, the order that we're going in?
Yeah, but I don't know which
Oh, maybe ask your Tati what's next so we can announce it. Okay, so this firework is called the, what should we call it? Who wants to name it?
Make it up.
It's called the explosion.
The fire.
cool something.
It's called the National Firecracker.
Cool something.
The cool something. Whoa! Can you hear it? I think she needs to enable original sound. Maybe. I don't think they can hear it. Oh,
I go farther to it.
oh, I have to do it again.
I go to it.
Herbie.
Getting cold.
Herbie. Herbie. Herbie.
Mayor Price asked to unmute. Tell.
It's
Whoa, these are some real fireworks right here.
That is really big.
Just a question for our audience. Can anybody hear the fireworks from our end? Or you're still having struggles hearing it? No, they can't hear the fireworks. Okay, so what I'm going to do. Right, they can't hear it because I need to change the settings on the thing. Wait 1 second. Okay.
Could be anywhere, right?
You're going to tell me in a second if you could hear. But I'm going to turn on original sound for musicians now. Okay, now I need to know if you could hear it. Can you hear it now? Yeah, they hear it now. The thing is, I think they could hear it now. Devora, I'm not using that anymore.
Okay.
I'm here, I need you. Okay, we're getting ready for the next firework in the rain.
Yeah. Why doesn't it work?
Yeah.
The sound?
I need to put you on original sound for musicians.
Oh. They need to come off.
I need ABBA.
Mommy, I can do it. It's not working. Sometimes it doesn't work. Remember the best one when you
I need.
That was so big.
Does anyone here have Zoom on their phone?
Abba has Zoom on his phone.
I do. Okay, he's trying to light it in the rain. This has never been done before in the history of fireworks.
Really? Really? Making it up.
Yeah, who wants?
What is that?
Or hold this like this, okay?
It's fire. That's not See, it's fireworks. That small.
What does that do?
Where is he? He's over there. What is that car?
What's my ID number? You know it by heart, Uwe?
No, 000. That's all I know. I don't know by heart. I only know your phone.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Fountain of youth.
Where's your computer? Stopping. Your head's blocking.
Big one.
Is that better?
Alpha wants his phone if we're not using it. Deborah. Did it just start?
How do I turn the video to the other there?
How long did it start? A long time ago. With the fireworks? Yeah.
If I want a video or something behind me.
A long time. Did I miss a lot? A little,
Yeah. Right, okay, good. So, who's not afraid to go near the fireworks?
Me!
Okay,
Me!
so give me this. Come back here. And then just go, like, this is the view. And you'll do it like that so that you can see as close as we can. Okay, she's going there. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're troubleshooting here. We're about to have a much better view of the fireworks for you.
Shucks, it hit the house. What's the destroyer?
It's Bo Rat Price! It's Go Mama.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah.
Oh no.
Kaya, press unmute.
No one can see that. Mommy, look.
I know.
Abba said that you should use his phone.
Yeah. Oh, the big ones. This is the big one here. Yeah.
Fun.
Ready? There it goes. Whoa.
Okay, could you hear us also?
Yes.
That's weird.
Have you seen doing loud noises?
I don't think they hear us.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two going at a time.
2 at a time. 2 fireworks at a time. I'm looking here. I'm on the live broadcast.
Is it firecrackers or fireworks? Firecrackers. Didn't we ever get fireworks?
It's weird. They're not registering on the.
You're close. Very close. You can.
So weird that my thing is not working.
This is the little battery.
Okay, well. Hi, how many years have you been shooting fireworks for?
I don't know. A long time.
What's this firework called?
Top!
You
Called the
ask
big
me.
boy.
We hear you.
I don't know.
The big
don't
boy.
worry. He said the big boy. This one's called the big boy, everyone. The big boy is exploding shortly.
Floating right now.
The Simpsons phone is attached now?
Yours didn't have original sound for musicians.
Whoa!
I see why they call it the big boy.
Small boy.
Why?
Interesting. If I'm on the screen, I don't have a dual screen.
Yeah, Mom, it's gonna rain again, I think.
It's pouring rain. It's unbelievable that it's working in the rain. I've never seen such a thing in my life.
I don't have anything for baseball players. Look, I use your black. Yeah, I'll use it. Well, you want it right now? No. Tomorrow. Four. You want it? Have my son. Oh, come here. Me? Hey. Right here. No, very much. Is it okay that I'm looking around? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, he's lighting it up. This one is the Big Daddy. Yeah, it's called the Big Daddy. The other one was the Big Boy. This is the Big Daddy.
We're a family.
Where are they?
So you see over here, don't try this at home. Nobody try this at home. This is for tatis only.
Not for ours.
Not for Abbas, only for tatis. Only if your name is Tati.
The other one's not working. Oh, it's raining.
Unbelievable that it works in the rain. I never would have dreamed.
Yeah.
Doesn't water and fire cancel each other out?
Oh, the same side. And you know the good news is they have fun.
No, I am not. Where did the smoke run away?
Yeah.
My kids have to still for an accident. The fireworks.
I hear people.
I don't know where they're coming from.
Touch mute all.
No, I don't. So then I'm gonna...
Right. Where's hungry? We're done.
Yeah, I can't text Mrs. Bourne. My can't text Mrs. Bourne.
It is now pouring.
Yes,
The guest tonight is the fireworks. That was a very brilliant comment. What's your name? Yehuda. That was one of the smartest things I've ever heard anyone say. Oh yeah?
What?
Okay, this next firework is called the Hurricane.
How do you know? Oh, it's not
It's called the Flaming Hurricane.
Hold on. Hang up for now. Oh, there it is. There it is. Take cover.
The Flaming Hurricane. Going once.
It's just a video.
No, it's live. You want to say hi?
Hi!
back here.
It might be a little bit too pouring now. 1 second, guys. Sorry, this doesn't matter. No, this is not working. It died? Oh. It's pouring rain! You don't even know.
It's like really pouring.
It's pouring rain.
So
He's still trying. He's still trying to light the fireworks in the rain.
It looks like if you want it.
Everybody, please give a big round of applause for Kaya's Tati. I don't know if anyone even here.
Is there any more?
This is God's grand finale. Oh, look. You see it? By the door's early light. Still going. I got it. There's always hope.
Hey!
Are we gonna stop?
No, we're gonna wait till the rain stops, but in the meantime we're gonna sing the Star Spangled Banner. Could everyone hear me? Listen guys, we had such plans for today, but Hashem has a plan, and that's the only thing. This is the only thing we could do. We're not in control of the weather. We're not in control.
Are these for free?
What?
Are these for free?
You have to say a paragraph to Tehillim if you want a flag. Okay, you want to say Tehillim? Paragraph? Okay, everyone take out your Tehillim. We're saying paragraph, and then he's going to have a flag. You can say it with us, don't worry. Paragraph. Everyone take out your Tehillim. We're doing things in a funny order because we're working with the weather. Okay. My microphone got damaged in the water.
We're doing another one.
I know. Whenever he's ready, okay? Oh, 1 second, hold on.
Where's my mic?
There's a anyway.
You can't see anything.
Laminatzeach Mizmor LeDavid.
Adonai Beyom Sarah Yisadecha Shem Yaakov
Yancha Adonai Beyom Tzara Yesagavcha Shem Elohei Yaakov.
Yishlach Ezracha Mikodesh Umitzion Yisadecha
Yishlach Ezracha Mikodesh Umitzion Yesadeka. Yizkar Kol Minchosecha. Ay, Ve'olascha Yadashna Sela.
Yitem Lecha Tolvabecha Lechol Atascha Yimalai.
Yitan lecha chelvavecha v'chol atzascha yemale. Niranana bishua sacha uvashim Eloheinu nidgol yemale Adonai kol mishalo sacha. Ata. Ata yadati ki Hoshia Adonai Meshicho Ya'anehu Mishmei Kadsho Vegevuros Yesha Yemino.
We will do more. Let's stop.
Eila varacha ve'eila vasusem va'anachnu b'shem Adonai Eloheinu nazkir. Hema karu v'nafalu va'anachnu kamnu v'nis odad.
Adonai, Hoshia, Amalek, Yaninu, Beyom,
Adonai Hoshia Hamelach Yaninu V'yom Kar'inu. Okay, that was beautiful. That was so beautiful. Thank you so much for reading that. Were you guys able to hear us? Oh, that's amazing. Thank you.
Can we do it inside?
Yeah, 1 second. So, 1 second, because I have a very important thing to do. So as you can see, we're in a hurricane. We're literally standing.
Can we go inside?
We're in a tent, and all around us is water.
Water.
Everyone's wet. Show them how wet you are. Sopping wet. So, yeah. We're gonna see the Misha Berach for the. We're gonna see the Misha Berach. Serious business. Misha Berach Avosinu Abraham Yitzchak V'Yaakov V'Yivarech Et HaChayalim Ha'umdem HaMishmar Artinu V'Ari Elohinu Yitin Adonai Esayvinu Hakamim Alinu Negatim L'Fneihem HaKadosh Baruch Hu Yad Barsoninu Tachtehem V'Yazrim Mekasser Yeshua V'Ataras Nitzachon V'Kuyam V'Hem HaKasav Ki Adonai L'Hichem HaHolichim HaChem HaHilachim HaChem HaVidbichem L'Oshiaschem and Omar Amen.
Can I give a shout
Okay,
out?
wait. We're gonna get. Oh, you could all give shout outs for you. Each of you has one shout out. One.
Okay,
One.
I'll give it a
Go.
shout out.
One.
No, a shout out.
Hold on, Mrs. Price.
One.
No, one. No, you are.
One.
Shout out to Camp Batara. Everyone in Camp Batara.
That was one.
To Bella Reagan. And to the whole Camp Tourism family and my cousins.
That was two.
To everyone in class 4 and 4th grade. Shout out to everyone in the about to be 5th grade of the Nosy South Baltimore. Shout out.
Hold on. You say it.
Shout out to Sarah Summers.
Sarah Summers. Let's go. Sarah Summers. Okay. One shout out. One.
A shout out to everyone in Clyde.
Oh, that was so sweet. Well, you Okay. Shout out to Pliables. Whatever.
Shout out to Ritas and Toves.
Shout out to Hashem Yisbarach. Okay.
Can we do
Now,
it inside?
stop. Everyone grab a flag, and we are all, everyone at home, stand up and sing the Star Spangled Banner with us.
And a shout out to the whole call, Yisrael.
Okay, 1 second.
Please rise for our national anthem, sung by Baruch Abitan.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light
Okay, everybody, that was so beautiful. I just want to show you what we had planned. So we have all these girls over here and boys somewhere in the background.
Especially me.
Yeah. And we have a ton more fireworks. I feel like it's getting, like the rain is getting less. Let's do some more. Should we do some more fireworks? Should we do some more?
And back to me and you sitting.
Should we do some more fireworks?
Everybody sit in the sopping wet chairs, right?
The rain is a little bit not so hurricane-ish right now. Before it was a hurricane. Now it's like, what do you call it now? Now it's like a downpour.
Drizzling.
No, it's not drizzling. It's more than drizzling.
It's raining.
I don't think so. Look. You can see.
It's not cool. And my brothers, they've been outside.
It's drizzling. It's not a light rain. It's definitely a rain. Light to medium. Okay, that's honest. It's a light to medium rain. So we're gonna try. I'm looking at the incredible Yafa. She has a split flag. She looks like she's for both teams. She's an American and also an Israeli flag going on. Okay, everybody, just a couple announcements to make. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and then comes Shabbos. Then comes Sunday and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. And I just want to say, I got a phone call from a girl named Goldie. She just went to sleepaway camp, but she said, Moritz Siri, I'm about to go to sleepaway camp. I'm literally getting on the bus. But can you do me a favor? Can you remind everybody on Tehillim Army that even in the summer they should say Tehillim, even when it's beautiful outside? I think anyone who's here knows that already, but it's always good to hear that reminder. I told her I'll give the message. And we shouldn't forget Eretz Yisrael even when we're having fun in the summer.
One of you have mine.
So on your own, you can always check the schedule of what Tehillim to say each day. It's posted on IncredibleKids.org. Also, a brand new Incredible Kids episode that just came out like 2 hours ago. It's about confidence. We could all use some more.
Yeah, I saw it already.
You listened to it?
No. I saw it.
Well, you can't see it. It's only listening.
Yeah.
Maybe you
saw
saw some.
the cover of it.
Oh, you saw the cover. You know what? That was a very bright comparison. Anyway, so Davi Gatayel was interviewed. He's on our Tehillim Army a lot, and you might even recognize him when you see the cover. So listen to that episode if you need something to do today or tomorrow or the next day. And then we have some really good videos coming, but I'm not saying what they're about. But I will say, Chalav Aleinu. Levracha. It's a huge hint, actually. I don't even know why I said it. It just kind of came out of my mouth. But anyways, I think we're done, right? Finito? So is that yes or no?
It's stopping. Wait, no, try one more. Yeah. Penny, but just do it till it starts. Because it's not really raining anymore. It's just drizzling.
What does the Ilam want?
How much people are listening? How much people are listening?
The Ilam doesn't want more.
Oh no, spotlight.
But except I'm confused because this girl wants more. The incredible Bennett's from the 5 towns.
I want more.
Maybe you should do it in your backyard. Is it raining in your backyard? It's not fair. Why is it not raining in your backyard?
Do another one.
Oh, he's doing one more. He's doing one more. He's doing one more. Hold on. Can you see people? Lights, camera, action. This one's called the Big Whopper. I feel like it's going to have some sort of like grand surprise. Like something's going to happen. This is not going to stay like this. Who invented fireworks?
A human being.
There's a family in Brooklyn named Fireworker. Yeah, I met them at a restaurant. Woo! Loud. All right, all right. Oh, there's another one.
It's so smoky.
It smells.
That's cool. That's cool. That's really cool. I'm digging this one. This is a cool firework. Which one was that?
That was Das Boot.
Sniper.
Das Boot.
The bazooka.
What was it called?
Red dog.
Red dog.
Red dog.
Come. Come, slow-mo.
That time it made it so cold in the air. I don't know what I'm gonna wear.
This is a cute one. It reminds me of. Ah!
That's so much smoke.
Hey, that's really cute. It looks like a cartoon. You know, like when you draw fireworks.
Yeah.
Looks like a sparkler.
It's also really loud. It's like going in my mouth. Take a video of this, of the fireworks.
I am. That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
I'm taking a video of the fireworks so you can watch it forever.
They can't really see it so much.
I think they can see it.
Close? Should I bring it closer?
We don't want to get too close because it gets a little dangerous if you get too close. You know what I mean? Happy birthday, USA.
It's not the birthday.
Yes, it is.
Happy birthday! Yeah!
Do you know this cheer? On July 4th.
I have a message. You should never be scared of the nebulizer.
What? You shouldn't be scared of fireworks, but you shouldn't go near them. But you shouldn't be scared of them. They're noisy.
Don't be scared of fireworks. They're very fun. Don't be scared of me. No, come on, it's the fireworks. Be happy you live in America if you do. Since I said a prayer up there, I'm going to trade for that flag to bring home.
No, that flag is like 10 Perkam of Tehillim on the spot. Yeah. It's more expensive.
Want to say 10 Perkam up there and then you'll get the biggest flag? Yeah, it's not going to happen. No, it's not actually going to.
Is this the last one?
Yeah, we're doing the rest
Okay.
We're doing more tonight.
Wow.
I'm not going to be here. We have so much more. It's so...
Tonight around 9 o'clock. We'll do the rest of it.
Yeah, if you're willing to do it.
Okay, big round of applause.
It's so sad. We have so much more.
Oh, the fireworks are clapping with us.
We have billions.
Do you have any parting thoughts that you want to share with everybody?
Say everyone to win Taylor.
If that's their parting
Shifra has
thought.
something to say. Wait. Shifra has something to say.
Okay, we'll say it together. Are you ready? You are all in.